Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make perfect churros. We'll start with the essential building blocks. For the classic churro dough, you'll need just a few simple items: all-purpose flour, water, butter, and a pinch of salt. Some recipes also include a small amount of sugar for a hint of sweetness. Having your ingredients ready and at the right temperature is key for a smooth start to your delicious churro journey. Now, let's create that signature churro dough. First, combine 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Immediately remove it from the heat and vigorously stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth, cohesive dough ball forms. This quick mixing is crucial for developing the right texture. Let it cool slightly before moving to the next step. With your dough ready, it's time for the fun part: piping and frying. Use a sturdy piping bag with a large star-shaped tip to create those iconic ridges. Carefully pipe 3 to 4-inch lengths of dough directly into preheated oil, maintaining a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them in batches, turning occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture, usually taking about 2 to 3 minutes per side. The final touch for perfect churros is the sweet coating. As soon as they come out of the hot oil, while still warm, generously toss your churros in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. A good ratio is about 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Serve these delightful treats immediately with classic accompaniments such as rich chocolate sauce, dulce de leche, or even a fruit compote for an extra layer of flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.